cats sneezing at the sight of humans? It's not just a quirky coincidence, some feline friends are actually allergic to us. Just like how we might react to their dander, a rare number of cats experience allergic symptoms due to compounds found in human skin cells, hair, and even the products we use. Picture this: your shampoo or perfume might be the reason your kitty's eyes are watering or why they sneeze when they're around you. Scientists have discovered that proteins and chemicals from our bodies, or even household substances we unknowingly transfer, can trigger these unexpected reactions. So, if your cat seems a little too sneezy or itchy when you're around, it might be time to switch up your routine. Who knew the tables could turn, making us the unwitting allergens in our own homes, flipping the allergy script and proving that even our pets can be sensitive to us in surprising ways?